Hi everyone, I'm Fahima and today I want to explain how you can develop a new skill with a learning path on WiseShot. Let's start learning. Click on Search in Path button and there you go. We are on the search page. On the search bar, search for a skill you want to learn and these are the results. Different paths are created by different experts and the number of paths is increasing every day. This is the title, this is a short description, and this is the creator of the path, list of content, and type of each. There is also information about the level and duration of the path and the number of steps, and number of likes that shows the satisfaction of learners. Click on one of the paths. Here again, there is a list of content with more details, content from different platforms and websites. Some of them are from YouTube, some Medium, Spotify, and etc. Okay, let's click on Start Learning to start the path. Before starting the path, you need to log in. If you don't already have an account, please sign up first. This is the learning path for learning film editing. Let's click on the first step. It's an article from videomaker.com. Click on the visit button to read the article. The link leads you to the website. Return to WiseShot after reading it to start the next step. Whenever you confirm that a step was passed successfully and it is done, the step gets checked. Here shows your progress. Okay, let's go for the second step. For some content like this one, you can watch them also on WiseShot. By clicking on the share button, you can share the path with your friends. And if you like the path, click on the heart button to rate it. Also, the started paths are available on my learning page. See you on WiseShot and don't forget to share your comments with us.